Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can dropship using Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com. So this is how the homepage looks like. So after creating your account, you can come here to the homepage and then you can search for any product that you want in this search bar. You can select right here if you want to search for product or shop. For example, I'm going to select product. Right here, you can paste the product link, the name, shop, link, and PI. So for example, I'm going to type shoe. And right here, you're going to find this little picture icon. You can click on it in order to search by image. Once you do that, go ahead and click on search. And then you're going to find right here the results for your search. So you can choose any product that you want to dropship. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. After you click on the product, you need to buy it. In order to do that, you're going to find the buy option right here. So here in the products page, you're going to find the product name, address, you're going to find the price, and right here, you're going to find some informations about the shipping fee, and so on. Right here, you're going to find the size. For example, I'm going to choose this size. Under it, you're going to find the color. Choose any color that you want. And right here, you need to agree to the note. And then click on buy now if you want to buy it. And if you just want to get the infos of the products, you can just take them from this page. And then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.